Once again, 3-card crazy bingo. I wish you all the best of luck. Who's a good number showing? G60, G60, O62, O62, G52, G52,
What is that, 71?
Yes.
O71, O71, N42, N42, G50, G50,
Oh, of course.
and this guy just sucks.
Of course.
He's the worst.
Of course.
Where'd y'all find him? Corner of Figueroa? Yeah, I shouldn't be laughing at that. That's not good. I-22, I-22. I'm sorry. Somebody say sorry doesn't cut it. You sound like my mom. I-25, I-25. G46, G46, I-24, I-24, G59, G59, I-18, I-18,
What is this? 4 card? What is this? 3 card?
G53, G53, B14, B14, B10, B10, N36, N36,
I crossed it out because I don't need it anymore because I have a bingo there already. So I crossed it out because I already have a bingo. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
I-29,
5. That's a bingo.
I-29,
That's called the inside corner, and the inside corner counts as a bingo.
B12. B12. I-28, I-28. Got a bingo? Got a bingo?
Yeah, this particular game is called Jamboree. So Jamboree means there's all different kinds of bingos. You have this is called the inside corner. If I did this one out here, this is the outside corner. You get 4 dots right here, or 4 dots here, or 4 dots here. It's called a corner stamp. Or you can have a straight line this way or this way. So it's all kinds of different bingos. That's why it's called a Jamboree. So it was a 4-card Jamboree. So on any 4 cards Jamboree. Now it's 6 cards.
B13, B13.
And a 6-pack is also a bingo too. So a 6-pack is 6 dots.
Thank you.
6 dots together.
B the number 2.
Like this. This is a 6-pack. See this right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a bingo. I don't need that anymore.
I-21, I-21. N43, N43. B4, B the number 4. And 38, and 38.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.
And 31, and 31. B7, B the number 7. I-20, bingo, bingo in the back. All right, we got 66215. That's good. Do we have any others?
No. Mine's over there.
See here and others. That game's closed with 1 winner, $800 winner, $300. Congratulations to our winner. That's going to conclude our night, folks. Thank you all for coming out. Our Powerball will be at $5,000 next week, and we'll start a new Powerball at $250. Tell your friends, tell your family. Come on.